Hello, LinkedIn. Good morning. It's Nicole Jolie, and thanks for tuning in. Today, just quickly, I wanted to share two things with you. Number one, the video that you saw just a snippet of before you saw me come on to this video is the view that I had this morning as I was walking my dogs. And isn't it gorgeous? Yes. So another thing that ties into that is the view that you have of your business. And I know this is, she's trying to tie this in and it's not going to work, but it is going to work. And here's the reason why. When I look out on the beach and I look out onto the water and I see the beautiful waves crashing and I see the pelicans and I see the dolphins in the bay, I look at something that is perfectly aligned, and it's perfectly aligned because they believe in themselves. The pelican doesn't say, I don't believe I'm going to catch a fish. They go catch a fish. The dolphin doesn't believe that it's going to come up for water. It's going to come up for air from the water. It's going to come up for air and it's going to play with the pod. The belief is there. And I want to really say this to you in a way that makes the most sense going through your day, and that is the belief in your business. A lot of times people go to consultants, and I don't want to make this sound negative, but in the way of dumping a bunch of their stuff onto the consultant and saying, here, make my business beautiful and amazing, and it's just going to be great. And that's not the case. When you hire someone like myself, you're hiring them to help you in the ways that you are not able to help yourself right now. So for example, you don't have the time because you're creating the content, or you don't have the means because you don't know the technology, or you don't have the ideation and you really need somebody to bounce ideas off of. Or you might need somebody to help you to write the copy because you're just getting stuck. And now that we have AI, you're writing copy with AI, but it really doesn't make any sense to you because you're not able to edit that and you don't know exactly how to. There's a plethora of things that go into building your business. The copywriting, the landing pages, the technology, the API integrations, the emails, the consistent sends, the graphics, the design, the calls to action, and then many more things that go on with that. So today I wanted to share with you because, as you well know, in all of my videos, the number one intent is to become the number one affiliate with Mighty Networks. And the reason, and I'm going to restate this each time, the reason that I want to do that is because I believe in the platform. And the reason I believe in the platform is because I'm able to create content without having to worry about all the technology that goes along with it. In addition, I have a really good back office, and I'm sharing that with you right now. Welcome, let's get you started, the welcome tour. And you can see the welcome checklist here that I'm sharing with you. But what I want you to see mainly is direct your eyes to the way that this is so simplistic. And if you were to get onto this back office, when you get into Mighty Networks for your free trial, I believe you can get into the back office, you will find that it is seamless on the phone as well as on the desktop. And that's so amazing because what it takes to get that to happen in real life is monstrosity. And it's a very long testing protocol, over and over, failure, and basically ripping your hair out. And I've done it and I never will do it again. The reason that I love this platform is, number one, it's woman-owned, Gina Bianchini. Number two, it has a purpose. And unlike WordPress or ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or Samcart or GrooveFunnels, God only knows whatever happened to that mess, this has a specific way to allow you to do what you need to do without getting caught up in the superfluous junk that needs to happen in order to make that happen. So you don't have to use APIs. You don't have to use all this other email stuff. You don't have to worry about emails going out. It actually sends them for you, which is from the heavens, right? Because who likes writing emails? Not me. And there are courses that I see that I know the people who create those courses, And they tout that email writing is great. It's great when you have a list. It's great when you have cultivated that list. It's great when you can spend the next 2 years cultivating a list and writing every day. Most people don't want to do that and will start out on a 30-day plan, and by day 7, they're done. I want to just make this very clear with you that the Mighty Networks program and the platform is thorough. And that's why I really love this program and this platform, because it's thorough. And I'm going to walk you through something that I have found in the back office, and you'll get downloads as you go through this. You'll actually get downloads in this area: community design, workshopping and growth. You'll get downloads. And one of them, and I'm going to share one with you, is this guide to quests, okay, 500 quests. But what I want you to see here, and let me move my face over to the other side, is the Wealth Builders, the Passive Income Boot Camp. And this is a really cool way for you to think about building your business and believing in your business even more so than the people that you've hired to help you build your business. One of the things that I notice a lot is when I am working with clients, I believe in them more than they believe in themselves. And that's not something that I really want to do, to tell you the truth. Because if I have to go to you and believe in you more than you believe in you, then I'm saddled with building your business for you and making you $1 million for pennies on the dollar. And that's not the onus that I think anyone should have. In fact, it's not the onus that not only do I think, but it's not the onus anyone should have. No one should be responsible for believing in you more than you believe in you. And I have learned this the hard way. And it's come full circle in the last couple years. But what I have noticed is that when I am so much more in tune with exactly what I am working towards and who I am in working towards that, the messages and the people and the alignments come to me seamlessly. And I want to share that with you because in this Passive Income Bootcamp, this is a course case study. It's something that I would be interested in doing in the Live, Retire, Wealthy, which I shared with you, that back office. But the one thing that passive income doesn't talk about or to is the belief that you can actually do it. And you see all these people that are sporting all kinds of extraneous toys, etc. But what you don't see is their belief in themselves. You see an ego, you see a persona, but the belief in yourself does not come from ego or persona. It comes from inside, and it has nothing to do with your nails or your hair or your fake eyelashes. It comes from inside. And I want to make sure that I address this because I was talking to someone yesterday, Allison Pena, and I'll link to her as well. Allison is a grief specialist, and she is so in tune with who she is, and she's so in tune with what she has to offer. She has it's as if when you're talking to her, she doesn't see outside. She only sees what she is emanating from her soul. And it's such a beautiful way to have a conversation with someone. And if you can allow that to happen with the people that you hire and allow them to help you in the way that you might not be that person, you might not be the graphic artist, the copywriter, the landing page developer, the project manager. You might be the person that just says, I have to just make this content. You might not be the video editor. So hiring someone and pulling people in that surround you with so much more knowledge and so much more cohesion to your vision allows you to believe in your vision even more. And Allison Pena and I had this conversation yesterday, and I read something by Lisa Brathwaite, who I will also link to in the comments below, about her getting, I guess, pumped. I don't want to say pumped, but that's the only word I can think of, for free consultations. And one of the things that I highly recommend when you're going through this and going through your building of your trust community is really thinking about and going through, reading what they have put together for you, going through it and saying, this is what resonates with me. this is what resonates with me. Not this is what I want to do. This is what resonates with me. And when it resonates with you, all of a sudden everything comes up, and you can't get any better than that. It's just, whoa, holy crap, this is amazing. Look at what's going on when it resonates with you, and the words resonate with you, and the vision resonates with you. And then all of a sudden your vision resonates with what you can do with Mighty Networks, as well as what you can do with your business, so that you're not getting hung up in all the superfluous junk that's outside of your business. You're actually focusing in and honing in on who you are and what you have to offer. And I believe that, and I'm using this passive income bootcamp here because the course is broken up into a 6-week intensive program with beautifully recorded video lessons on one core topic. And think about how that resonates with somebody. Beautifully recorded video lessons on one core topic. They're not having to go to 6 core topics, because when you say on the 6 core topics, they're like, oh God. It's like learning how to write a smart contract in blockchain. It is very technical and difficult, and you just roll your eyes and go, I don't want to do that. So when you can make your life and your business simpler to resonate with the message that is inside inherently in the platform that you're using, because if the platform didn't work, Marissa Peer wouldn't be using it. If the platform didn't work, Lifebook wouldn't be using it. Okay? So those are multi-million-dollar companies. And if the platform didn't work, they wouldn't be using this platform. So walk into the understanding, as opposed to what can you do for me that is going to give me an ROI, even the platform. Instead, what is the platform built around that resonates with me, so that I am able to get my message out to the people who really want what I have. And that's my message for you today. And I hope you enjoyed the ocean and the beautiful sunrise that I saw this morning. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, LinkedIn. Hello. It's Nicole, and thanks for watching. If you found something that was useful in this video, please do comment below. Let me know. Also, like it and follow. I would love that. In addition, if you do need some help with your trust community and building it out, let me know as well. You can just message me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to get back with you and walk you through the back office. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.